Hi, I'm Paul Martinelli, president and founder of the John Maxwell team. The John Maxwell team has certified members from over 160 countries around the world that speak, teach, train, and coach using the world-class, time-tested methods taught by John Maxwell himself. There is no better investment you can make in yourself or your organization than engaging one of our members, and some of our team members rise to the top of the top. Let me introduce you to my friend J.J. Conway.
The low rumble of a crowd in the room, that subtle flurry of activity and anticipation. It's an exciting moment for a public speaker because we know that the opportunity to change lives is just moments away. Hi, I'm J.J. Conway, Executive Director with the John Maxwell team. As a John Maxwell team certified speaker, trainer, and coach, I specialize in speaking. We certified members of the John Maxwell team are a global community of professionals who believe in the power of connecting through engaging stories and the lasting value of true leadership. As a John Maxwell team certified speaker, I can help bring your event to life with world-class, time-tested lessons inspired by my mentor, John Maxwell. And let me share a secret with you. The very best teams and organizations are marked by the world-class leadership talent they have. If you want the same, you must intentionally empower people to become those very same leaders who enrich everyone they encounter. I can add value to your event, sharing about leadership, communication, goal setting, or personal growth and development principles. Your event attendees need to hear a message that connects with them, challenges them, and empowers them to grow. John Maxwell team certified speakers deliver a message that will inspire change and build valuable momentum. Any investment professional will tell you to invest where you can see the most growth. When you invest in people, they grow, and in turn, cause others to grow. Contact me today to schedule a growth opportunity for your next event.